To turn any image into a 3D STL file, open your browser, go to azinspired.in, go to Designs, click Generate STL from Image, choose your image. In a moment, you will see a live 3D preview of your relief. Now pick your quality. High is Rs 120, Ultra is 240 rupees. For detailed designs like this one, I would go with Ultra. As you can see, we have a 3D base attached to it. To get rid of it, click on Edit, click on Base Removal. Now you will only have your design. Happy with it? Click Pay and Download. It will open a window. Here you will have multiple payment options, cards, net banking, wallet. For UPI, you can scan this QR. Refresh QR. Scan with your UPI app. After payment confirmation, the AI gets to work building your model. This takes about a minute. When it's ready, the green Download STL button appears. Click it to save your file. And there it is. Open the STL in your 3D viewer. And your design is ready to carve, print or laser. Try it yourself with your own image at azinspired.in.